Okay guys, so boat is going in the water and I'm preparing the trailer to hook up with my SUV right there. I'm gonna put it in the water. So let's put our throw thing in there. Hook up the pin right here. So when you tow, you got to make sure everything's right on the ball. Make sure your hooks are connected, your electricity is connected, the wheel is tilted and high, and then you check for the lights. If the lights are working, so the flashing lights are working, so we're good to roll. One thing you want to make sure your antenna is folded down whenever you move your boat. So you make sure your antenna is down. Another thing, you got to make sure that you have your drain plug on. A lot of people forget that, so let's not forget the important things, okay? So now we are ready to tow our boat to the slip, and this is the boat launch of season 2021. Off we go. So we are entering the boat ramp right here, and it looks like it's totally empty. Nobody's around, so that's good. I can do everything at the ramp, but if the ramp is busy, then I take harnesses and everything back off here rather than making people wait at the ramp. So those are the good etiquettes that you got to follow. So we're gonna do everything at the ramp because there is nobody around. That's a good thing. So guys, the boat has finally been launched. We're out for the first time, and it's so much excitement. So guys, this is the Hanover Street Bridge. I'm crossing this bridge and gonna go back to my trailer and take it home. So right there's my boat. I don't know if you guys can see.